Good morning to one and all children. Welcome back to the science class, session number 5. Third class, subject science, session number 5. And date is 30. So, we were continuing the chapter, lesson number 1, living and non-living things. This we are going to continue now. And please send the homeworks in WhatsApp group only. Yesterday also I have told you. No other groups, only in WhatsApp personal. So, for me, for the personal number, you have to send the WhatsApp. Your homeworks, you have to take the pic and you have to send. And some parents, you are sending the pics but it is not clear. So make sure that when you are sending, the pic must be clear and write the session number, date and your name. It is very compulsory. And if you send the homeworks after the time, I cannot put a tick mark again. So some parents are giving complaint that we are doing homework but teachers are not giving tick. It's not like that. If you are sent out of the time, we cannot do anything. So, today you are listening to the class and tomorrow before this time we have to send it. And one more thing is that you send in the night time from 8 to 9, otherwise from morning before 9. So, about the living things and non-living things we have learned. And living things will grow, living things will move. Till that topic we have finished. Now, all living things breathe. You need air to live. You breathe through your nose. Many animals also breathe in air through their nose. When I am reading, just keep your finger in your textbook. Here. You need air to live. You breathe through your nose. Many animals also breathe in air through their noses. Fish breathe in air through their gills. Insects take in air through tiny holes present on their bodies. Plants take in air through tiny holes called stomata on their leaves. So you all know that we are breathing air, that is oxygen. How do you breathe? If you close the nose, you can check it out. Breathe in, breathe out. We are breathing from one side and we are giving out from other side. So we all need air to breathe. And how do you breathe? You breathe through the nose. Can you hold your breath for so many seconds? Your nose. If you close the nose and mouth, you cannot take in air. Many animals also breathe air through their noses. Dog, wild animals, lion, tiger. Many of the animals breathe air with their nose. Next, fish breathe in air through their gills. But fish is not having the nose. It is breathing through their gills. Next, how we are having nose? In the same way, fish is having the gills. Insects take in air through tiny holes present on their bodies. Insects does not have any leaf. Insects are chinna purugulu. They are not having any nose to take in air. They are having tiny holes on their bodies. They are having small holes on their bodies. With that holes, they are breathing in air. Plants take in air through tiny holes called stomata on their leaves. I told now, in the leaf there are very tiny holes. They are called as stomata. With the help of stomata, they breathe the carbon dioxide. Plants are taking carbon dioxide and stomata helps for them. Here you can see in the picture, gills of the fish. This is the nose for the fish. And man is having nose. In the same way, plant having leaf. In the leaf there is stomata. So like that, different types of parts are there for the body to breathe in. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and human beings breathe oxygen. But do books and dolls breathe? But these are the books, no? They'll breathe air? No. Dolls, teddy bears like puppies, anything. Will they breathe air? No. Do stones breathe air? Stones. Rallu. They do not breathe air. No, they don't breathe because they are non-living things. Books, stones and the dolls are non-living things. That's why they do not breathe air. Only living things will breathe air. This is up to this page. Now, next page. All living things need energy to live. You need energy to live. Where do you get it from? The food you eat gives you energy. You also need water to survive. Animals also get energy from food. and they drink water like you. See, what is energy? Suppose you want to lift any book. If it is down, you have to pick it up. Something is there down, you have to pick it up. When you are lifting or when you are picking up, for all that what we need, with the hand we are doing, but for the hand we need some energy. If you don't have energy, you cannot do anything. Suppose you have given a 10 kgs of bag to 1 year baby. Can she lift it? No, because she is not having that much energy. So, the force that we are applying to lift something is called as a energy. So, we need energy to lift anything and to do any work also. Not only lifting, to do any work we need energy. And where do you get that energy from? Meeku ekkడి నుంచి వస్తుంది ఆ energy అనేది? From the food that you eat. And not only food, and you have to need some water to drink, no? When you are drinking water, you are able to survive. If only annam తినేసి ఊరుకుంటే మనకి strength రాదు, energy రాదు, and we cannot survive. We need water, food as well as air to survive. That means to live. Animals also get energy from food. Even the animals also get energy to food. If animal is running during the hunting, if it wants to eat other animals, what it will do? It will run and it will catch the other animal. That means it is hunting. So for that running purpose, it needs some energy. If it is not having energy, it won't run. And they drink water like you. Even the animals will also drink water like you. Now when we conduct the sports games, what happens? All the 5 members will be start race. Running race will be started for all the 5 members. But only the one will reach the main point first. Any one will come first, no? Why all other 4s are not coming first? Because it depends on your stamina, on your energy. If you are having more energy, you will run fast. If others are having more energy, they will run the fast. So for that energy, we should always take care of our health. We should eat proper food and in proper timings, and we should drink a lot of water. Not only the rice, you should eat all types of vegetables as well as fruits. And plants also need energy to live and survive. Yes, plants also need energy to live and survive. They also need some energy. Where do they get from energy? They get energy from the sunlight, and the roots will take the minerals from the soil. By this they will get the energy. They make their own food in the leaves, as they cannot move in search of food. So they cannot make their own food, right? Like they cannot cook and all. So they make their own food. For this in detail you will be learning in the further classes. But simple, very simple, I am saying that they are not having hands and legs to move and take some food and eat. But how do they get food? They are having roots, no? Verlu untayi ka chettiki? They are under the ground. And what they will take from the ground? Will pour the water in the ground, no? So they will take the minerals and everything from the water, and the roots will send it to the stem. From the stem it will send to the leaf. So in this way they will prepare the food, and the leaf will prepare the food for the plant. Who will prepare the food for the plant? Leaf. They take in water from the soil for their leaves. Here they have given already a picture. The roots will take whatever they want from the soil and they will send to the plant. Next, try to feed your doll. If you put some biscuits or chocolates to the doll, will it eat? No. It doesn't, because it is non-living. Non-living things do not eat food. They don't drink water either. So not only food, but the non-living things do not drink the water also. Will they drink the water? No. Does they eat the food? No, because they are non-living things. They are not able to grow. They are not able to breathe. They are not able to run. They are not able to eat food. So these all are because they are non-living things. So today I am going to give you the CW on the board. The same thing you have to write the homework. Now look at the board. I am going to write the keywords on the board. Okay. Write heading like this. Class 3 Science Session number 5 Lesson 1 Living and Non-Living Things. In the first line you write keywords. Again I will give a close look on the bold. Okay. Keywords CW. First one, man-made things. M-A-N, man. M-A-D, made. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Man-made things. Man-made things, what is the meaning of this? Man-made things? Things made by people. What is the answer? Things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. M-A-D-E, made. B-Y, by. P-O-P-L-E, people. Things made by people. Man-made things. Things made by people. Second one, natural things. N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Natural things. That means things created in nature. Things created. C-R-E-A-T-E-D, created. B-Y, by. N-A-T-U-R-E, nature. Things created by nature. Things created in nature. Okay, once again have a close look on the board. One more I'll give you. Keywords CW. Man-made things. M-A-N, man. M-A-D, made. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Man-made things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. M-A-D-E, made. B-Y, by. P-O-P-L-E, people. Things made by people. See here. Made spelling is here and things spelling is here. B-Y, by. P-O-P-L-E, people. So if you learn the question, you can learn the answer easily. Man-made things. Things made by people. Second one. Natural things. N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Natural things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. C-R-E-A-T-E-D, created. I-N in N-A-T-U-R-E, nature. Natural things means things created in nature. This is the classwork, so you have to write it one time. So third one is living things. Things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. W-H-I-C-H, which. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. E-A-T, eat, comma. G-R-O-W, grow. F-E-E-L, feel. M-O-V-E, move. A-N-D, and. And reproduce. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. It is there in the textbook also, children. Here, page number 196. So now look at the board. Already I have given you two. This is the third one. Living things, meaning things which breathe, eat, grow, feel, move and reproduce. So these three keywords you have to write as CW one time, and same as CW is your homework one time. What is your homework? These three keywords you have to write one time. Same as CW is your homework. Thank you, children.